Hey, and welcome to another Deep Dive Wednesdays video. Today we're going to show you how you can send images along with your AI agent replies. Instead of having the URL directly posted inside the AI agent text response, you can also separate them and send them separately. And in this video, we're going to show you a step-by-step on how you can do that. First of all, we have created a really simple AI agent just to demonstrate how you can achieve this. We just have a short description, we have a persona, we have a role, and inside the skills section, we only have one skill, and that is replying using database searching. So the agent needs to call the function KB search every time the user is asking a question related to our products or services. Then we have the AI function, and we will go into that really shortly. And this is basically the entire AI agent. Now for the AI function itself, we are going to take a look where we connected that. So let's go towards the KB search. As you can see, it will be this one. From here, this function is triggered anytime a user is asking a question about our products or services which are related to solar panels. So just added this because in the connected workflow, we are going to search based on these parameters. We're just going to register a simple status value, nothing too serious. You can map it towards any kind of custom field. So you could map it to an custom field AI response or something you want to. This is just to make sure that the function is triggered, something is getting saved, and then the function call is being triggered. Then from the function call, the AI agent KB search, we have a few data set up. So if we are going to take a look, then inside, the first thing that we are going to do is to categorize the user's question. And inside, you will see that we have a user's input. And then, for example, I took certain inputs directly from our connected Google Sheets where we will be doing the search. So for example, how do they work? How do solar panels work? And then we will get matched a certain category. This certain category, as you can see, we will then map towards that specific map response to custom field, which will be the KB category. In the next step, we're going to fetch all the important rows matching that category alone. So as you can see, we are going to search from this spreadsheet, this worksheet. The category will be saved inside of this custom value, and then we will go with the available KB information to assign and save basically all the fetched information from any of the categories. So in case of the general, we will only have 3 rows. For savings and ROI, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, right? And that will be saved under this specific custom JSON field. The next step is to only send information towards the AI agent that is relevant to the user's question. And we can do that like this. We have another AI task that basically states only output the matching relevant information, and we'll go into each AI task shortly. And for example, we have a user's input. How do solar panels work? If we say test a request, then we'll get a few data back. You can see we get the matched information back. We also get back, does it contain an image, yes or no? And if yes, we are going to fetch the image URL. We're going to save everything inside of a JSON field, matched info KB. And then from here, we're going to only send the matched information section of this JSON field towards the AI agent, because the image and all the other stuff we want to include inside of a separate section of a node. If we're going to take a look at the AI task first, so for example, determine the category. So if we go towards AI Hub, AI task, then we can see that we have KB extract relevant category. And this is what we added as a prompt, basically defining, okay, what does each category contain? So what does fall under the general, the installation, the products, the savings and ROI, etc. So that is stored under this AI task. We only get one output, and that output will be the category matching one of the ones that we mentioned here. Now for the other one, for the KB information matching, it's a little bit different, where we will have UR to determine which information provided fits the user's question the best and only output that information. And then for the second one, you are also needing to output whether the matched row of information contains an image. If yes, then you are to output the image under the assigned and separate parameter. If there is no image, keep it empty and register it as just double quotes, meaning it's empty. So that will then produce the values that you saw just a while ago with matched information contains image and image URL. Now in the next step will be that if we take a look, we are going to only forward the information matched info KB, right? Only this step, because this step is only relevant towards the AI agent. This contains image and image URL we will check in the advanced reply section of the AI agent. So if we're going to take a look there, it's a really simple logic where we have a condition and that will check if an image is included. And we're going with a custom input inside the condition step. And then we're going with matched info KB. If it contains an image, going to say yes. Then we're going towards this step. And otherwise, we're just going to send a regular AI agent reply. Now, if it contains an image, we are going to use a rich media image file, as we have done here. And then we are going to go with the option from URL. And then from this URL, we are then going to map the image URL as seen right here. So let's test this out, right? And let's see if this setup works. So let's go towards the opt-in flow. Let me delete the bot users if we have any. We don't. So let's go towards the opt-in flow. Let's refresh one more time. And then let's just preview this. So if we take a look in live chat as well, so we can check a few things, we'll get something like this. So let's go towards the Google Sheet and let's say, for example, what is solar energy? Hi, can you explain what solar energy is? So if we take a look at the conversation, then we should see that we get a function called KB search and we don't get any image, because if we take a look, you can see that this row does not contain an image in the column image, right? So we get the information. Solar energy is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. And if we take a look at the reply, you can see that that is pretty much the exact same answer. Yes, it is. And now but how does it work? Let's do this as a next question, because if we take a look now under the row section, so let's go back. How do solar panels work? As you can see, that will contain an image. So let's see if we get that. And now you can see we get the image. And now we also get great question. This is the AI response, right? That we've basically sent towards the AI agent. And then we outputted the image separately, because if we go back towards that specific flow, then you will see that under the advanced reply section, again, this now matches the condition. So that means that we are going to go towards this step and output the image that way, along with the AI agent reply. And you can do the same with videos, for example, or with files to have that included here inside the Google Sheet in the same structure as we've shown you. And that way you can send AI agent replies along with the matched media type files. You can also send multiple images. Then in that case, for example, you could also have an additional condition here that checks how many images, and based on that, you would create different kinds of text nodes with different kinds of number of images included before, and at the last step, you will then go with the AI agent reply. We hope this video helped you in understanding on how to send multimedia type messages with AI agents. If you have any questions, do let us know. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.